last evening in Jordan, and we decided to spend a night at the Mine Hot Springs Spa Hotel. Now, there are two parts to this. Firstly, I'll tell you where Mine is. So, Mine is a thermal spring that is located around Mount Nebo in Madaba, and it's a natural hot water spring. So, that's also available to the public. It costs about 10 Jordanian dinar. There's a public access, and then there is the option of staying at the Mine Hotel and Spa, which is what we've done. Good morning everyone, and welcome to another day at Mine, our last day in Jordan. So we are now heading towards the public waterfall, the main waterfall, the main thermal springs. Now if you're staying at the Mine Hotel, remember that you can access the main waterfall, but there are certain hours, because those hours are sort of restricted only for the guests. So it's almost like in private access to a public waterfall. I have spent the last 1 hour in nature's very own spa at the Mine Hot Springs. Truly an experience that you should definitely keep on your agenda when you're coming down to Jordan. The way to access this is simple. You pay 10 Jordanian dinars and you get access to the main waterfall, which is open to public. But if you're staying at the Mine Boutique Hotel and Spa, then this part of the waterfall is exclusively open to guests for certain hours. We were very thankful that there were not too many people around, so we could really leisure around and experience this waterfall at its best. Today is our day that we return to UAE, but thank you so much for watching all this content, and do like, comment and subscribe to Tips Don't Lie. Hopefully come down soon to another country and get you more content and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.